Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Senator Meru. It's true that we have adduced evidence to support the allegation that we sought information of the infamous extracts from the CCM, and that is on page 30 of our volume 2 via letter from the clerk, and the response from the CCM is also on page 31 of volume 2, where the CCM declined. And the question, if we have done it to the CCM, we decided to hit the nail on the head, because these are monies expended in the office of the governor, and furthermore, the County Governments Act owns the governor culpable of the management of the resources of the county, overall management of the resources of the county. Number 2, on if work tickets are not forged. In fact, I'm guided that it's County Governments Act Section 30, subsection F, 3F, that in performing the functions under subsection 2, that is the responsibilities of the governor will be accountable for the management and use of the county resources. And furthermore, the CCF Finance is an appointee of the governor, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, it is also not true that the work tickets are forged, because there is no way you can use the same work ticket with the same serial number for the month of January, for the month of March, and for the month of April. That would be irregular, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Senator Sifuna.
What do you want? I thought, Mr. Speaker, the question on work ticket had been addressed to me, or?
It was addressed to the witness.
Much obliged.
To answer.
Much obliged.
Mr. Speaker, my first question goes to counsel for the governor. I want you to provide a time lapse between the infamous prostitute video and the response of the governor. Second, Mr. Speaker, to the witness, what government resources were used at these Okolea meetings? I'm confused, because you have said in your evidence there that it was not vehicles, you have not provided the numbers of the vehicles. So make it clear to us what government resources of the county government of Meru were used at these Okolea meetings. And finally, Mr. Speaker, I want counsel for the assembly to clarify to me whether in his understanding of section 22 of the County Assembly's Powers and Privileges Act, which is displayed at page 62 of their volume 3, whether that provision relates to appearances by the governor before the assembly, or, as I understand it, refusal to produce before a county assembly or a committee any paper, book, record, or document. I want him to explain to me if in his understanding he thinks that section applies to summons to appear or refusal to appear before the county assembly, as opposed to the refusal to produce a paper, book, record, or document. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Proceed.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. If I can address my question, what government resources were used in the Okolea rally? We have clearly